Hey guys, Gino here from Market Movers. So today's video is just going to be a quick look at what's going on in the market the last couple of days. We've had some big movers. Just remember, we are not financial advisors. This is not financial advice. This is for entertainment purposes only. Also, we have a free Discord chat. Link is in the bio. And if you please wouldn't mind hitting the like button, hitting the subscribe button, and leaving a comment as well. So we'd really appreciate that, and we'll get straight into the video. Okay guys, so one of our first big movers was Tesla. So Tesla is up almost 12% so far this week. This is a pretty big move for Tesla. This year I don't think it's moved that much since April, so that's a pretty good move in a week. This is moving based on some news that Elon Musk has announced. I'll show you here. So the CEO Elon Musk announced that he would strive to give electric vehicle maker shareholders preference when a subsidiary of the privately owned SpaceX goes public. So basically, if you own Tesla share, you will be in with a chance to buy into the SpaceX share when that goes public. Now, that's, as you said here, look, it's a few years away. People are just reacting to the news as per usual, but it's still good all the same. So Starlink are obviously sending satellites up into space to increase high-speed internet, and that's basically why Tesla stock has moved. But it's one of the biggest moves it's had so far this year, so it's pretty good to see. Tesla's been a very, very quiet besides the downward moves this year, so we'll take that as it comes. Another stock that we have that has shot up, is up almost 20%, is Upwork. So this is a huge jump. Now, there's no real news out with Upwork, but what I think is going on, and we've said it before, and we've been saying it the last few weeks, it's transitioning. All the money's transitioning back into growth stocks, and you'll see that as I go through the next couple of stocks that have shot up. So, as I'm sure a lot of you know, cryptos took a massive hit. They took a huge hit this week. They've took a huge hit for the last couple of weeks, but this week was pretty bad too. And the money seems to be going up, so any losses we've made on crypto, we've made a lot more gains on these few stocks that have gone up this week. So Upwork is a nice, really nice stock to keep an eye on. It's probably gone a little bit past the buy range now at the moment, but it will probably settle down again, and we'll see how that goes. So now another one that has shot up for us is Crowdstrike. So this isn't as much of a major move, but still a good move for Crowdstrike, up to $251. So that's up 4.42% in the past 5 days. If you look at a 1 year chart for them, they're up 142%. So we've had these for quite a while, so you can imagine we're quite happy with this company at the moment. They're a cybersecurity technology company. Sam's really into them, and Sam has videos which I'll link up here talking about Crowdstrike as well. Another one of Sam's favourite stocks, Revolve, up 12.5%. So Revolve are a fashion company that spend a lot mainly around e-commerce and all fashion clothes and stuff like that. So again, another growth stock, up nearly 13% in the past 5 days. So this is huge, and you're going to see this a lot now over the next few weeks. All these growth stocks, all these stocks that you've owned. I'm sure there's plenty here that I haven't mentioned. We've had a crazy week. We've got some big news. It might be a month or two away, but it was all happening this week, so we were up to it this week. And so these are just things that we've spotted throughout the week that are really making big moves. So something we won't talk too much about, but there's a little bit, we're going to talk about cryptocurrencies just very briefly. We're going to look at the gains. So this is in the last week. So Bitcoin down 8%, Ethereum 14%, Binance Coin 9%, Cardano 5%. Now these have improved. They have gone up. They were a lot lower. XRP down nearly 18%. Dogecoin, so Polkadot down 28%. But the positive I see to this, all these coins are down massively, but Coinbase stock, now it's not up much, 1%, but it didn't drop. And a lot of people were worried that as soon as there's a crash in crypto, this Coinbase stock is going to drop. Now, I was kind of hoping it would drop so I could buy more of it. I've been buying this quite regularly at the moment. I was hoping it would go under $200 to be honest, but it hasn't. But it's kind of interesting that it hasn't been dropping either. So that's something definitely to keep an eye out on. And so guys, there's some moves that we've been looking at in the market the past week. They've really impressed us. We're quite enjoying now the transition back to stocks. Stocks are really what me and Sam are passionate about. Cryptocurrencies are great, but we really love stocks, so it's great to see them starting to pump again because they've had quite a few months. Otherwise, guys, that's about it for this video. Thank you all so much for watching. Something else, just to keep myself accountable, I'm going to start doing is I'm going to start reading some books. So I've just started this book. It's Kevin O'Leary. He's on Shark Tank, which is like Dragon's Den over in America. Men, Women and Money. So I've just started this book today. I'm going to try reading these books. I'm a slow reader, so bear with me. But every time I read a book, finance related, I'm going to give a little review on the channel as well. I have read a couple of other ones, so I've a couple of them on loan at the minute. So I might get them back, skim through them and do little reviews. Because it would just, if you're looking for something to read, I'll be able to give you my idea of it before you read it maybe. So guys, thank you very much if you got this far. We really appreciate all the support. Please, we're trying to hit 200 subscribers before the end of the month. If you please hit the subscribe button, it costs nothing, just tap it, all good. We'll be friends forever. Guys, thank you very much. Stay safe and we'll talk to you next time.